Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today is so hot guys in UK, but I want to do this shopping haul. It's because I want to wear it already. So I went to Zara yesterday and there's so much sale, 40% off, and then they have really nice items. So I spent nearly £100 for this, and this is already on sale. And also Tikimak, they have nice items. So I purchased also guys. I told you I'm going to, of course Primark as always. I told you I'm going to spend less now, but the sale, there's many sale also in H&M, River Island, M&S, they have a little, in next, wait, next, no, there's no sale in next, GD Sport, there's so many guys, so check it out. So let's start now with our Zara. So this first item, I've been looking for actually really white. I have cream blazer and I'm looking for white, and I saw this, and then I'm searching for small. Unfortunately they don't have small. This is medium, so I said okay, I'll just grab it and check online if they have this short size online, you know, but they don't have also online this one. And what I'm gonna do is, today is Friday, so hot, but I'm going to go back on Monday and hopefully they have small. So I will not wear it yet. I will check if they have white. I mean they have the same like this but small, and if they have small I will return it and buy it. And but if they don't have, I will just keep it. Look, I don't know, it's medium and I'm small, but maybe it's okay. Comment down below guys if I should keep it or just really wait for next time. Look like this. Wait, look like this, and but it's medium. 50-50 actually, but if I can, 50-50 if I'll keep it if I cannot find small, because look at the back. What do you think? It's like really big for me, yeah. Maybe it's actually big. Comment down below guys. I think it's a bit much. Okay, so I need your comment if I should keep it or not. I hope they have small. Okay, but just I really like it. And the price by the way is original price is £56 and 40% off. Let me check the receipt. So that would be okay, so that would be 33.59. And then I also purchased this trench coat. To be honest, I just grabbed it because you know why I'm grabbing it, even if I'm not super sure. This one, because the length, it's a bit long for me. It's like really long, but I just grab it guys because sometimes during sale, if you don't grab it, the next day you go back there, it's not there, and you don't have, you know, it sells, so doesn't last long. So just because of the length, I like the color, I like everything, just the length. And the price of this is 70 pound and 40% off, so I paid 42 pound. Actually they have many nice dresses. I just control myself because I need to check it first before I purchase more. I just went there to just film, but there's so much people, that's why I also filmed so few, because there's really, oh, what is it? This is small. This is, oh my god, actually it's so big. It's so big to me. Oh, I feel like no. This is already small, it's long. It's like during winter I will wear boots and it's already, look, Okay, unfortunately, I have to return because it's big. Because you know why? I didn't try it on. I just saw it near to the hell. So I said, okay, this is so nice and like that. Let me buy it. Anyway, okay, so I'll return it because it's big. I'll, but this one, I really like this. So this is linen with cotton and rayon like that. 20, 30 pound, 40% off. I paid 17 or 18. I paid 18 pound. So this one is okay. Yes, look at that. I have actually many linen. Wait, yeah, it's actually okay. I have many linen trouser here, but I don't know guys why I bought it. I have so many linen. Ah, maybe because of the color, because the linen that I have here, they are color brown. But this one, it's almost the same. Oh my god. So, just tempted. Or maybe because, you know, when it's like sale, people are so happy. You know how much they are grabbing. So, oh my, you're tempted to grab also for yourself. Okay. So, I need to return that one and the blazer set for another one. So just got 3 and then we paid 93. What is this? Wait. 93.67, 41, 70, 80, 90. Okay. So 93.67. All right. Let's go to Tiki Maxx. Oh, by the way, this is from Morrison's. I bought it for my son. To be honest, my son got so many lovely gifts for his birthday. But when I saw it, I don't know what happened to me. I bought it. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Is it good I bought it or not? His costume for Halloween will be Ghostbuster. So I'm thinking this one is good addition for it. So this is 7 pound in Morrison. And yeah, oh, before TK Maxx, I saw this also from Home Bargains. This one. This is only 5 pound, 16.99 or 6 pound. And I didn't actually open it, but they said magnetic darts championship. I hope I can put, okay. Also that one only, look, it's empty. And then let's see. Okay, it said magnetic. Okay, so just that one, not so big actually. I expect a bit bigger like that. And then in the side is like this. Okay, pretty good, right? And this is magnetic. Okay, I give it as a gift actually. So it's not for my son because my son have something already. Remember in Home Bargains, no, in B&M I purchased for him 8 pound and he loves it. So this is for somebody else as a gift. But I'm thinking I should use my son's gift because he doesn't you know, like he have so much toys already. And TK Maxx now, final. So this, where's the receipt of this? Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, the receipt is here. I always keep the receipt because if something I don't like or some damage like that, at least I can return it. So for the belt, why it says handbags here? Okay, for the belt, this is Ralph Lauren. And this is 24 pounds small. They also have extra small. So I checked it actually online before, made in Vietnam. So I actually checked it online and the belt that I saw is not like this. It's like reversible, something like that. So like that for 24 pound, guys. Do you think it's good? To be honest, I'm 50-50 to buy this. It's because I have belt here and at the same time I don't wear black belt that much. So I'm 50-50, because if they have other color like white, cream, like gold, like that, it will be very good. But it's sell. That's the reason. They said 74 pound original price, and now 24. So it's sell. My problem is the word sell, reduction, reduce, red tag, yellow tag, like that. That's my weakness. And a dress, which is, you can see it's sell also. So original price is like 30 or 40, and then 14 pound. So this one is, I didn't try it there, so hopefully it will look good when I try it. Yeah, I think that's all good. I'm just 5 feet, that's why sometimes it's really hard to find clothes for me or dresses for me. Yeah, so that one. And then in Primark, so I'm checking now. Actually, I feel like I purchased something in I feel like I purchased something in Primark, but I cannot remember where I put it, because sometimes I hide it, because one person is complaining already I'm shopping so much. So this is sell for 50 and then 2 pounds, so why not? So cute, this one. Yeah. And 2 pound. And the next is, this is 450 and now 2 pound also. Looks so cute, that's alright. And then like that. It's so cute, just because it's so cute. I like to write. Next is this waffle shower cup. I put something in my hair now, which is, I don't do it before because I don't know, but now I'm starting to take care of my hair because I feel like it's a bit dry now. So I put shea butter and I will cover it so I can still use my bed. This is 250 only. They have different colors and many choices, guys, in Primark. Next is, this is 7 to 8 years old t-shirt. I bought it, it's because 7 to 8, and normally my sons, they need to wear this for VA day, like that. And it's also cotton, and just 130 pound and 100% cotton. So my son doesn't want to wear if it's not 100% cotton, which is he removed everything in his closet that is not 100% cotton. Next is this trouser, jogger, how you call it, jumper, jogger trouser, which is only 14 pound, guys, and it's good for 5 feet and it looks comfy. So yeah, it just looks good, you know. So this is 14 pound from Primark, of course. And oh, this one, it looks comfy, that's why I purchased it. This is skirt, 12 pound, I think 10 pound, 12 pound. It's skirt. They have black, brown. So yeah, look, so comfy. And next is hair wrap. I don't know, I just decided to purchase it. And last is 1 pound, which is sell also. So yeah, that is the whole, guys. I hope you enjoy. It's so hot, but what we can do. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys, I hope you enjoy, and please do comment, should I keep the trench coat or the blazer if I cannot, the blazer if I cannot find small. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.